Si j'aurais à me décrire en quelques mots, je dirais que je suis une fille qui est déterminée.
Là, il y a un chant qui s'en vient.
You're perfect just the way you are. Just the way you are.
Compétitive.
I wake up in the morning, all I wanna see is the sun and it's shining on you next to me. You got a little broken nail, got a hair out of place, got a little bit of extra.
Sportive.
I never ever hesitate, cause the thing about you, baby, is the smile on your face. I'm blowing kisses at you, girl, and I hope they didn't miss the way you move your body, maybe hard for them to hit you. I wish you would come a little closer, rub a little closer. Mama saying, mama closer, saying, shake it, shake it, shake it.
Enthousiasme.
Is the sun and it's shining on you next to me. You got a little broken nail, got a hair out of place.
Maladroite, mais très divertissante.
That's it.
Come on, shake it, shake it, shake it. You the one for me. Shake it, shake it, shake it.
I like that.
Come on, shake it, shake it, shake it. You the dance hall queen. I got love for you, baby, never giving it up. And I love the way you love me, never getting enough. I love the way you shake the little extra bit
Ce qui me
of butter.
différencie des autres, c'est ma vivacité d'esprit, mon sens pour l'aventure, ma créativité. Puis en plus, je suis prête à partir maintenant pour participer au défi autour du monde. Alors, c'est quand encore la date de départ?
Come on, shake it, shake it, shake it. You the one